How to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Shieldon. This is a magnetic wallet that sticks right behind your iPhone. So I wanted to give this a try because this is something that I ordered in the past and this was cheap. It's made of fox leather and I'm pretty sure it's going to go bad after a few years or maybe months. So didn't quite like this. So this is genuine leather. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox and see what comes with it. Okay, so once you take it out, it comes nicely packed. And this is something I picked up from Amazon. They're not sponsoring this video. This is something I'm making on my own. So I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys know where I bought it from. But this definitely looks, oh, nice. I like this. So very well designed overall. So this is genuine leather. Let's compare this with this. So this one I paid like around 30 bucks and this one was like $6-7. So of course there's a quality difference, even though this is really good for you know, temporary use, but this one will last me much longer because this is pure genuine leather. There is stitching and things like that, so definitely well made. This one does have a stitching too, but not as good as this one, as you can see but closely. So you can see the quality of his stitching is so much better on this one. Now also this is just a single stick on. This one is like a full wallet and much nicer. So if you have MagSafe charger, you know, phone case, and that's what you need, you know, for this to work better on your iPhone. But comes with some of these. Oh, this one has the RFID blocking, which is pretty good, so nobody can just tap on and grab your information, which is good. It also came with this thank you card. So let's go ahead and see how well this sticks on the phone. So this is a MagSafe charger case that I ordered for my iPhone 15 Pro. I also have a 17 that I'm going to show you guys how well it works on the 17 Pro. But let's go ahead and test this one first. Now, if you don't have the proper case, it might not work for you. So I'll show you both cases. So this is a proper MagSafe case. So this is 15 Pro with the regular case, and let's see if this sticks on here or not. So it sticks, but it's not going to stick that well. You can see. And let's try the other one. Same here. It does stick, but not as good. Now the reason it's sticking is because this thing does not have anything on there. So if you try to stick it on here, it's not going to work. But it's sticking because there's a magnet behind your phone, and if you don't have a case, it sticks pretty well. So let's try this one. So with no phone, with no case, not too bad, sticks pretty well. Now let's try this case without the phone. So, there you go, it sticks pretty well. You can see just on the case itself. That's the reason that you want to have a proper case. Now this case is made by, let me count. And let's try this one. And this one also sticks. So the sticking power of this one is a little bit less versus this one. You see, you can see it's pretty well. It's good, but not as good as this one. This one just pretty well. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in the case. Oh, nice. And let's take this one too. Yeah, so it works pretty well. Now let's try this one with the 17 Pro. The reason I bought this color is because the 17 Pro have this unique color, so it kind of matches. So let's go ahead and try it on that. Okay, so this is the 17 Pro, and that's my kid right there. Okay, so let's see how well it sticks on the 17 Pro. Before that, I'm going to show you this one, how well this one sticks. And this is what I was using for a while, and did not quite like this. That's the reason I ordered this one. Let's see. Now, one good thing about this is I can use this like this. I can use it like this, and use my phone and watch stuff and things like that. So that's one good thing I like about this case. Plus, I can put in a lot more stuff in there, my ID and everything else, and I can have stuff over here as well. Yes, it is a little bit thicker and bigger, but you know what? I don't mind that. I think it is pretty good. Now, you can probably find something that is only something like this, but you know, it all depends on what you're looking for. But if you're looking for a full wallet type of thing, then this is probably the best you're gonna get out of it. So I think I'm gonna stick to this. It kind of matches my color of my phone, and overall I love this. So definitely a thumbs up. This is the wallet that I'm using. Here's some information. Let's see if you guys can see it. There we go. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where I got this from, and in case if you're wondering where I got this case from, that's also from Amazon, so I'm going to leave a link for that as well. And if you're interested in this wallet, this is not too bad for $6-7, not bad at all. I'm going to leave a link for this one as well, so you guys can purchase whatever you like. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.